Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. In the previous video, we have started our lesson 1 food, and we have discussed topic food, its importance, and balanced diet. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss the different nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, protein, water, and roughage, and also the worksheet for 2 in book. Okay, beta. In this class, we will discuss about nutrients. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the important or useful substances that are present in our food. They are of various types, 5 types mainly: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay. And water and roughage also come in this category. So first nutrient is carbohydrate. Carbohydrates provide us energy to our body. That is why it is called energy giving food. The sources of carbohydrates are potato, beetroot, sugar, bread, ice cream, etc. The person who do physical work need more carbohydrates in their diet. Okay. Now the second is proteins. Proteins are the building block of our body. They are called building blocks of our body. They help in the growth and repair of the body. They help in the formation of new cells. They help in repairing the damaged cells. The sources of proteins are egg, fish, meat, milk, cheese, etc. Young children need more proteins-rich food because they are in growing stage, and proteins help in the formation of new cells. Okay, and the third one is fats. Fats provide a lot of energy than carbohydrates. They help to keep the body warm. The main sources of fats are butter, oil, ghee, dry fruits, etc. A person who consumes a lot of fatty food become bulky due to the storage of fat, and this condition is known as obesity. Okay. Now the next is water. Water is not a nutrient, but it helps in the proper functioning of our body. Water helps in the digestion of food. Water removes the waste from the body in the form of sweat and urine. Water regulates the temperature of our body. Okay. Now the last is roughage. The fiber present in all the plant product that constitute roughage. The fiber present in our food is called roughage. It has no food value, but it helps in the proper functioning of our body, of the digestive system. It helps in removing the undigested food from our body. It helps to prevent constipation. All the fruit and vegetable contains like cucumber, cabbage, etc. are rich in roughage. Now beta, let's start the reading. Food groups. We can divide food into different groups according to what they do for our body. We divide the food groups into 3 categories beta. First, energy giving food, body building food, and protective food. Okay, so today we will discuss about energy giving food and body building food. So first beta, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Carbohydrates give us energy to our body. That is why they are called energy giving food. ये हमें एनर्जी देता है, इसीलिए हम इसको एनर्जी गिविंग फूड कहते हैं. Carbohydrates, the main sources, the carbohydrates present in potato. अब पोटैटो खाते हो ना, उसमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है. बीटरूट, शुगर, ब्रेड एंड आइसक्रीम. राइस ऑल्सो बेटा, राइस में भी पोटैटो होता है. wheat also contain potato. Sweets. Okay, so these are the main sources of carbohydrates. Now little amount of carbohydrates weak and tired. If we eat little amount of carbohydrates, we become weak and tired. We feel weak and tired, and too much of carbohydrates make us obese. और अगर हम ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स खा लेंगे तो हम मोटे हो जाएंगे. इसलिए हमें प्रॉपर अमाउंट में ही कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स और एनी न्यूट्रिएंट्स वी हैव टू टेक इन प्रॉपर अमाउंट. Now next is proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. Proteins build our body, beta. Protein make our body. That is why they are called building block of the body. Building block food. They help in the growth and repair of the body. ये आपको ग्रो करने में, आपकी बॉडी को रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करते हैं. They help in the formation of new cells. आपकी बॉडी में जो नए सेल्स बनते हैं, that is with the help of proteins. They help in repairing the damaged cell. अगर आपको चोट वगैरह लग जाती है तो ये प्रोटीन्स ही हेल्प करता है उसको रिपेयर करने में. The main sources of proteins are egg, fish, meat, milk and cheese. Okay, these are the sources of proteins. Children need more protein. Children like you, young children, need more protein rich food because they are in a growing stage. क्योंकि आप growing stage में आपको और grow होना है, that is why you need more protein, and protein help in the formation of new cells. आपकी body में नए cells बना के वो आपको और बड़ा करने में help करते हैं. तो हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा proteins खाने चाहिए. Next है बेटा fats. Fats also energy giving food है, but they provide a lot of energy than carbohydrates. And they help to keep the body warm. इसलिए हम ज़्यादातर ठंड में, विंटर में घी, बटर ज़्यादा खाते हैं ना, बिकॉज फैट कीप द बॉडी वार्म. आवर बॉडी नीड्स वेरी लिटिल फैट्स. हमारी बॉडी को बहुत थोड़ा फैट चाहिए, एंड एक्स्ट्रा फैट इज स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी. अगर हम ज़्यादा खाते हैं एक्स्ट्रा फैट्स, वो हमारी बॉडी में स्टोर हो जाता है. दिस एक्स्ट्रा फैट्स मेक ए पर्सन बल्कि, एंड दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज ओबेसिटी. अगर हम ज़्यादा फैट्स खाएंगे तो हम मोटे हो जाते हैं, और उस कंडीशन को हम ओबेसिटी कहते हैं. द मेन सोर्सेज ऑफ फैट्स आर, एज यू नो दैट, बटर, ऑयल, घी, ड्राई फ्रूट्स. ओबेसिटी क्या होता है बेटा? अ पर्सन हु कंज्यूम, एक पर्सन जो ज़्यादा फैटी फूड्स खाते हैं, ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स खाते हैं, दे बिकम बल्की ड्यू टू स्टोरेज ऑफ फैट्स इन देयर बॉडी, एंड दिस कंडीशन इज नोन एज ओबेसिटी. ओके, मोटापा. Water. Next is water. Water and roughage is not a nutrient, but they are very important for our body. First है बेटा water. Water is not a nutrient, but it helps in the proper functioning of our body. हमारी बॉडी की प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग में वाटर बहुत ज़रूरी है. सोर्सेज. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द फूड प्रोडक्ट्स, सभी फूड प्रोडक्ट्स में कंटेन लिटिल और मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. Some fruits, vegetables contains large amount of waters like watermelon, muskmelon, orange, etc. Now functions. Water help in the digestion of food. आप जो खाना खाते हैं उसको डाइजेस्ट करने में वाटर हेल्प करता है. वाटर हेल्प इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड. वाटर रिमूव्स द वेस्ट फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. वाटर आपकी बॉडी से वेस्ट बाहर निकालता है. जब आपको स्वेट यानी कि पसीना आता है या यूरिन की फॉर्म में आपकी बॉडी से वेस्ट बाहर निकलता है. Water help to maintain the temperature of your body. Now, roughage. The fiber present in our food. The fiber present in our food is called, in all the plant product constitute roughage. It does not have any nutritional value, but it help in removing undigested food. आपकी बॉडी में जो undigested food होते हैं उनको बाहर निकालने में roughage help करता है. It help to prevent constipation also. कॉन्स्टिपेशन क्या हो जाता है बेटा? कई बार आपको फ्रेश नहीं हो पाते अच्छे से, तो उसको हम कॉन्स्टिपेशन कहते हैं. तो अगर हम सैलड वगैरह ज़्यादा खाते हैं, रफेज खाते हैं, तो हमें हमारी जो स्टमक प्रॉब्लम होती है वो सॉल्व हो जाती है. सो सोर्सेज आर कुकुम्बर, कैबेज, स्किन ऑफ फ्रूट, सीरियल्स. इन सब में रफेज होता है. द एनर्जी वैल्यू ऑफ फूड. कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स, प्रोटीन की जो एनर्जी वैल्यू होती है फूड की, उसको हम कैलोरीज़ में मेज़र करते हैं. जैसे आपकी हाइट है, वेट है, हम हाइट मीटर्स एंड इंच फुट में मेज़र करते हैं. वेट किलोग्राम, ग्राम में मेज़र करते हैं. इसी तरह से जो एनर्जी वैल्यू होती है फूड की, उसको हम कैलोरी. नाउ बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वर्कशीट 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Which component of food is required in more amount by the following persons? Take the right choice. So first is school going student. So school going children or child need more proteins. So put a tick mark in front of proteins. Second, this boy looking very weak, that they need fat to get more energy. Now third is a cricketer. Cricketers, sports person or laborer, they all need more carbohydrates. So put a tick mark in front of carbohydrates. This is a labor or hard working person, they need more carbohydrates. So put a tick mark in front of carbohydrates. Okay. Now unscramble the words to reveal some sources of the nutrients. So first will be GEG, that is egg, E-double-G. TAME, that is meat, MEAT. KILM, that is milk, MILK. Okay. Now question number 3. Cabbage is a good source of fats, roughage, protein or water. So answer is roughage. Okay. Now question number 4. Complete the following by filling the blanks from the word given below. These words will not come in the exam. So first, that provide us energy. Dash provide us energy, that is carbohydrates. Okay. Dash help in the formation of new cells, proteins. Protein help in the formation of new cells. Dash help in the digestion of food, water. The energy value of the food is measured in calories. Okay, beta. Food ki energy value, it is measured in calories. Okay. Now match the following. Protein. Protein is present in cabbage, ghee, bread or cheese. That is cheese. Okay. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is present in bread. So put a tick mark in front of bread. Fat. Fat is present in ghee. Okay. Roughage. And roughage is present in cabbage. So number is 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, beta. Question number 6, beta. Write whether each statement is true or false. Proteins make us obese, that is false. Roughage prevent constipation, true. Water help in the digestion of food, that is also true. Okay, beta. So beta, you have to read page number 9 and 10 and do the worksheet 2, that is on page number 11 in your book, and learn also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.